So thank you. I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. To whoever sent it to you, or if I sent it to you, thank you for taking the time to listen to me. I talk a lot, so if I look down, it's because I have notes to try and keep me on track. So welcome. My name is Saleh. I live up here in British Columbia, Canada. I am a mom of two little girls, a 2.5-year-old and an 8-month-old baby, and I'm a super busy mom. I was a social worker before I became a mom, and then I decided to work from home, and I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to start my own business. I wanted to be an entrepreneur, and that's when I found SENEGENCE. And I guess you could say the rest is history. It's been an amazing journey. I now lead a team of a lot of women all across Canada, and I wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about what I do, what it's like to be a SENEGENCE distributor. If you're thinking about signing up, this is a good video to watch. I do a lot of like FAQs in this video, and I will make sure to write in the description the different topics so you can kind of skip ahead or skip back or whatever you want to do. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so number one, a lot of people have heard of the word lip sense, but a lot of people have not heard of the word SENEGENCE. So what is the difference? Okay, so lip sense is our, I guess you could call it like our star product. It's the product that we are most well known for, and it's the lipstick on the market that doesn't budge, doesn't smudge, it's waterproof, it lasts up to 18 hours. I have it on my hand here, I have it on my lips, and you can move it around, you can do whatever you want to do, and it does not transfer and it does not come off. So it's also patented, so no one else has anything like it on the market. That's our most popular product. Now, our actual company is named SENEGENCE, and SENEGENCE actually has an entire line of cosmetics, everything from foundation to eyeshadows to blush. We also have a line of skincare. Now, all of our cosmetics, all of our skincare contain something that is also patented. It's a technology. There's a huge science behind it. It's amazing to hear the research behind it, but it's clinically proven products, and they contain something called Cineplex Complex. Cineplex Complex is a kinetic enzyme that produce or like regenerate skin cells 23% faster than normal, which is amazing. So all of our cosmetics are also, they have the same philosophy as lip sense, so they're very long wearing, long lasting, and all of them contain skincare. So the more that you wear a cosmetics, it actually makes your skin better, makes it younger, more youthful, more plump, more healthy, hydrated. It's amazing. Have you ever worn cosmetics that make your skin better? I challenge you to try. So everything that we have, there's a couple things about this company. Everything we have is vegan. It's all cruelty-free, meaning no animals are tested. There is no animal byproducts in our products. We are all FDA approved. Everything is made in the USA. Everything is ethically sourced. The company itself gives a lot to charity. We have a lot of charities within this company that donate to women and children, vulnerable women and children. So it's amazing knowing that you are buying products that are actually helping people that are less fortunate. And guess what? Lip sense in the year 2017 was the third most Googled beauty product ever. And that's insane. That's crazy, especially knowing that it's a company that's in direct sales, right? So like I said, we're USA made, FDA approved, vegan, cruelty-free, all those amazing things. And we believe in polluting the environment very less compared to other brands, meaning when you purchase our products, you won't find that they have those boxes. Everybody knows that when you go to the store and you purchase something and it's in a box, you throw the box away, like right away. So SENEGENCE doesn't believe in that. We believe that we should not pollute the environment, and so we try not to waste trees, which is really, really nice. So there's a little bit the basics about the company. Now, SENEGENCE also believes in using top quality ingredients and naturally occurring ingredients, which is really, really good. The company itself was founded in 1999, so we are not new. We're not this new company that's just booming all of a sudden and it's gonna just like fall off the face of the planet. That's not what is gonna happen with SENEGENCE. SENEGENCE has been around since 1999, and we have been in Canada since 2001, so it has been a very long time coming. If you know anything about direct sales, the company SENEGENCE is currently in the momentum phase, where if you look at a graph, we are going up, 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 up right now. And then we are projected to stay in this for about, I think, 8 to 10 years. We are currently in year 2 of this momentum phase. And this is when they say that a company explodes, and when people hop on, millionaires are born. It's just a really, really good time to join a company when they're in a momentum phase. And a lot of companies, a lot of direct sales companies don't even make it to this phase. A lot of them just fall off. You don't ever hear about them again. Most companies, when they are past that momentum phase, they go into something that's called stability. So stability is basically when the bar graph kind of goes like this. And that is when a company just cruises by and they're doing really well and they continue to do really well. But yeah, so we are going to be in stability within the next 10 years or so. So we're in momentum right now. So everything is going to be blowing up. People want this product. Like, that's how crazy it is right now. And if you think of companies that are in stability, you'll think of like Avon or like Pampered Chef or Mary Kay, the ones that have been around for a long period of time. So this company was started by a woman named Joni Rogers, and she's absolutely incredible. She was one of the top distributors in Mary Kay. So she learned a lot from that company. She was a distributor firsthand, so she knows how to work this business. And when she left Mary Kay and when she started SENEGENCE, she knew what kind of a compensation plan she wanted, what kind of products she wanted. She wanted cosmetics that would make your skin better the more that you wear them. So she had a lot of goals in mind and a vision in mind on how she wanted women to run this business. And she created one of the most generous compensation plans in this entire industry. I've run into a lot of people that have looked at this compensation plan, and they say that it's incredible that we can earn so much money within a short period of time. Just how the company is set up. Sorry, I'm just trying to like fiddle with my camera here. So that's a little bit about that. And so you already know we have products that work and a career that works. So by having those two things combined, it's really easy to be successful with this business. So a couple more stats, just because I love statistics and I'm like a numbers geek. And when I hear numbers like this, it really makes me proud of being with SENEGENCE. So like I said, we are a company that's built on morals, but we are also a company that is built on products that work and products that are really high in demand. So a couple numbers for you. To give you kind of an idea of how many distributors we have less than 15,000 distributors in all of Canada. All of Canada. Okay, that's like nothing. In comparison, in the States, we have about less than 250,000 distributors. Now compare that to other companies like Amway or Mary Kay or Avon. They have 3 million. 3 million distributors. Like, everybody's grandma sells Avon. I'm pretty sure you know that, right? Unique has 700,000 distributors. So if you look at our numbers, there's less than 1% of women per province in Canada that are doing this, which is like way less than 1%. I would probably say like 0.5%, because Canada's untouched right now. Canada is so fresh and new in this game that people just want this. And every single time I have done vendor shows, and people come by my booth and they look at the product and I say, hey, have you heard of LipSense before or SENEGENCE before? And they say, no, I haven't. So this is not saturated at all. And the fact that you can sell a product that is so high in demand, it's incredible. So the beauty market, the average growth rate is about 4%. So it's increased by 4% this last year. SENEGENCE has grown by 700% in comparison to the average. Okay, skincare, or the skincare market has increased by 4%. SENEGENCE's skincare market has increased by 600%. And the cosmetics market has increased by 2%. We have increased by 700%. These numbers are just crazy. So we are currently growing 700% faster than the beauty industry average. So our company is exploding and people are recognizing that we have amazing products, and it's really nice to see that. And we outsold, this is crazy, we outsold the top 4 beauty companies combined. So if you combine all of those companies together, we have outsold all 4 of those. It's nuts. A couple other interesting facts for you. The old president of L'Oreal left L'Oreal and joined us. His name is Philippe, and he joined us. He's now the president of SENEGENCE. Also, the founder of and old CEO of Beachbody also left. Beachbody left and came and joined us. There's a huge brands that where they had huge top executives, and they have left those companies to join us because they see the potential in this company and they see where we're going. So we're going nowhere but up, clearly. Couple more facts. So L'Oreal, there's a ton of, I'm not sure if you know, but there's tons of companies that are underneath the umbrella of L'Oreal. So a couple companies under L'Oreal, Maybelline is part of L'Oreal, YSL, Lancome, Giorgio Armani. So L'Oreal grew an average of 4.7%. Okay. We grew 150 times faster than that. It's nuts. Estee Lauder and MAC, they grew by 7%. We grew 100 times faster than them. That's crazy because I was a huge MAC girl. I used to love MAC. Dior and Sephora, I still love Sephora. I'm not saying anything bad about Sephora. I do love Sephora, and I do still shop there. They grew by 8%. We grew 90 times faster than that. It's nuts. And Revlon, believe it or not, shrunk by 14.2%. And brands like NYC and Rimmel, okay, sorry about that. Brands like NYC and Rimmel and CoverGirl, they grew by only 1%, and we surpassed them by 700%. It's nuts. So, and now I'm going to talk a little bit about direct sales companies. So here are a couple brands or companies that you have probably heard of. I just want to talk about their growth rate in the last year. So Nu Skin actually decreased by 10%. Avon decreased by 3%. Amway grew by 0%. So didn't grow, didn't sink either. Arbonne grew by 10%. Rodan & Fields grew by 40%. So in comparison, we grew 18 times faster than Rodan & Fields. We grew 70 times faster than Arbonne, which, like, it's absolutely nuts. Like, these numbers are freaking crazy. It's insane thinking that a company can grow this much. And I remember reading that all of 2016 sales, we surpassed all of those sales within the first 3 months of this last year of 2017. So it's absolutely crazy. And obviously we're not just a company that's all about talk. These are real numbers, and sales stand true to all of that. So that's just a little basic kind of tidbit of information for you to know kind of where this company is going.